Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I wanted to show you some organization that I'm going to be doing with my HBA or Health and Beauty Aids Prepper Pantry. A lot of you told me to get these over-the-door like shoe organization things. I'll show you. It's a over-the-door organizer, yeah. Organizer. Help me. It's 24 pockets. So this is what it is. I got it at Big Lots. It was $12. So this is what I got. No tools required. Fits over all standard size interior doors. Made with high quality poly linen. It's 19 inches by 57 inches. So this is what I got. So I'm going to try it out right now. I put it on my linen closet door. I'm going to try and close the door first to see, if it's going to close right. Yeah, I guess that's all right. It's not like this is a door that open, shut, like a bathroom door or anything like that. So that's fine. So, okay. So because I'm going to scroll you down real quick, okay? Okay, you see in here, this is all shampoo, conditioner. There's body wash. Everything is just stockpiled in here. And this is like, I want to say 13, 14 months worth of HBA. Now, this is like seriously constricting my room, like my linens and my towels, my curtains, everything is literally, it's within 3 shelves. And it's really just taking up way too much of my space here. So I figured I'd try the suggestion that you guys have put out there for me and to get this shoe organizer, this over-the-door shoe organizer. So I'm going to try it. I don't know if like the big bottles will work in here. Yeah, it's a little too much, it's a little too much. So let's try, like maybe the smaller. See, it leans. I don't know. Because I don't know how. What if let's see. Let's just try like a smaller bottle. Because I don't want to put like too much in there because I don't know like how sturdy these, like the stitching is and everything. Like that's my only concern. Like if this is going to, give way if there's too much weight, like especially when I get this all, filled in and everything. That's my only, like my main concern is that it's just, the stitching's just going to start to come out. You know what I'm saying? So let me try. Get some of the smaller bottles. Even if I just do like shampoo, I don't even know. Shampoo and conditioner. Because this is really taking up way too much room. Way too much room. And it's getting to the point where I have no room for my towels, no room for my, like my curtains, my linens. Everything is getting piled on top. Like I've got linens on top of washcloths and hand towels, and I know you're probably saying, well, that's being petty. Well, not really, because organization, when it comes to prepping, organization is key. Because you have to know where everything is at all times. You really do. And inventory is key. So having something like this is perfect, you know, especially when it comes to prepping, you know, so at least when you know you have a pocket that's empty, you know, it's be like, oh, okay, well, what was here? Okay, a bottle of shampoo. Okay, well, now I know I have to, you know what I'm saying? But when it's all in here and it's a jumbled mess, you know, and then you're like, well, look at this. This is all in disarray. Oh my God, you know. So, okay, these are too big. Okay, so. Okay, that stuff is too big. Even some of the body washes are too big. Darn it. Well, here's some of the smaller body washes. Even if I just do like the bottles in here and keep everything else in here, like on the shelves, it's fine. As long as I clear up like at least one shelf, I'll be happy. Because I also have this second one, and I'll go put this in Andrew's linen closet where I have the first aid prepper pantry and the, hang on, phone's ringing. Sorry about that. That was Sean. I am filming right now at night. It's Sunday night, and he has to work until midnight because of the Super Bowl, and Bucks won. Yay. And so, yeah, he has to work until midnight, and so he called to let me know what's going on at work. But anyway, so I don't even remember what I was talking about. Here we go again with mom brain, or because Andrew's not home, should I call it wife brain now? So I'm just going to, you know what? I'm going to close this real quick and see how this closes, even with it just being half full, because I want to see. Okay. So that closes nicely now. All right. So what I think I'm going to do is fill, because there's really no more of like small bottle-ish. Like everything else is like big bottle stuff now. And even though they fit in the pockets, like I said, I don't know how well made these things are, and I don't want to take a chance. So I'm going to fill up the rest of them, the pockets, with like deodorants and single size like soaps like these, and even toothpaste and stuff like that, and try to clear up at least one shelf. And then I'll take this extra one, and fill that up with first aid prepper pantry stuff, and try and clean up Andrew's linen closet, because like all of the stuff that was in his linen closet is now underneath his bathroom sink. Like all of his towels and stuff are underneath his bathroom sink. So I have to, you know, rearrange and do stuff like that. So I'll take you over there and show you what I'm going to be doing over there. So let's see. That's Sean. That's me. How many deodorants can I fit in one? All right, so 4. Well, I've got 3 left of mine, 2 left of his. All right, and then toothpaste. That fits in there nicely. The toothpaste, here, I'll show you. The toothpaste, the 2-pack. fits in there perfectly. So, all right. Perfection. Now let me see. I'm going to get some bar soap. Now, I wonder if this is a 4-pack of soap. I'm going to see if maybe that, yes. Yes, sir. That fits right in there. Let's see if I can lay these down like this. Get in there. Okay, I've got 4-pack pockets left. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Hi, Capone. What are you doing? Get out. I've got another 4-pack right here. Let's see. There's more soap. I hate to just keep filling this up with soap, but soap really does take up a lot of room. And then I've got 8 packs right here. I think it's going to be too tall. Okay. Razors, toilet paper, listen to me. Razors. All right, so that is that. So it looks pretty good now. So look inside now. So I'll have to come back in here and do some serious rearranging, which is fine. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm in front of Andrew's linen closet, and this is where we keep all the HBA. So I put up the shoe organizer here, and now I'm just going to decide, like, you know, what I'm going to put in here and stuff like that. Now, I don't know if I'll do OTCs in here, or if I'm just going to do, like, hand sanitizer, you know, that type of thing. I'm not really sure. I can't, you know, obviously do toilet paper or anything like that, but maybe, you know, like these. I don't know. I'm not sure. I do have a lot of these, so if I would just... It's the only thing. It's like I don't have enough room, so it's like trying to make room, it's almost... It's like it's impossible, you know? And I know a lot of us go through this. We really do. So, you know, when you guys gave me this idea and said, well, this is what I do, you know, maybe this will help you. And then I saw these at such a good deal at $12. I'm like, you know what, I think I'm going to try it. So I did. I don't think these are going to, no, they're not going to fit. So... I'm glad I bought these. Okay. This definitely won't fit. I don't know how many bottles of hand sanitizer. Two bottles of hand sanitizer fits in one pocket. So burn relief. I don't know. Should I? Lysol? No, I don't think I'm going to put Lysol in there. But this hand sanitizer bottle is too big, so only one will fit in there. Masks, more masks. I can't fit these are too big, the liquid hand soap. I don't know, should I put some of the OTCs in there? Because I've got like 8 boxes of these, you know, so maybe I should. I don't know. Well, 2 boxes fit in one pocket. So all right, well, 2 boxes fit in one pocket, so that's good. So now I've got the liquid. Could have sworn I had 3 of these. Maybe it is I only had 2. I don't know now. I don't know if that's good. Oh, okay, good, it does fit. I'm so glad you guys told me about this, that you guys do this, because now it's like it looks so much nicer. And because now after I'm done doing this toilet paper, I'm going to go get another shelving unit for out in the garage, and all of this is going out into the garage because this drives me crazy, having all this toilet paper stocked in here like this. It drives me absolutely nuts. So I can't fit any of like the cotton balls and stuff like that in those pockets because the pockets are too small. So more elderberry. Those are the gummies. Tums, Rolaids, Theraflu, I'm going to have to go back to Big Lots and get more of these. I'm going to have these on the back of every door. Holy cow. Because this first aid, I want one for the first aid bucket here that I have. And then the last pocket up at the top, I'm going to put the Advil and Tylenol in. So, all right, guys. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for giving me this idea. I really, really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Stay safe. Stay positive. Fear less. Keep prepping. Bye.